Let me show you all voicemail settings in Samsung Galaxy A07. So first of all, we'll need to click on the phone dialer. Navigate to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and open the settings. From here we can find the voicemail, and now let's read throughout all of the options. So first thing is a service provider. You can click on it and then change it if needed. Next step is the voicemail number. Here you'll be able to add the number that you're gonna use for your voicemail. Next thing is notifications tied to voicemail only. That means you'll be able to change the notifications for the voicemail if it's set up, like a different sound and different vibration type, or disable both. You can also go for the SIM card that is being used by voicemail, and you can change the service provider as well. And for that specific voicemail SIM card, we can adjust different voicemail number as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.